दोस्तों अस्सलाम वालेकुम, खैरियत से हैं। आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा हैदराबाद की टॉपेस्ट हमारी ये रूफ़ है विच इज़ सो हाई एंड आप देखेंगे यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड कि हाउ वी आर इन हाइट. This is the view which is shown and we are in a very high place. This is the high roof where we can see everything from a roof of Hyderabad. We are definitely in Latifabad number 7 and this is the view which we see and look at there. Wow, what a scene. Amazing. This is American Hospital, which is a renowned hospital of Hyderabad, in fact in Latifabad number 7, and this is the height which I mentioned you earlier. Look at the height. We have the Four Corners movie in this clip, so keep on watching this video and keep enjoying after looking the all scenes and all the areas of Hyderabad, especially in Latifabad. We are standing in a building of Latifabad number 7, which is actually so high. You will definitely enjoy this. Look at there. Oh my god. Oh my god. We are on the top of a roof of Hyderabad. Look at that place. What a height. We are at Mount. Look at the road is running. And there's so cloudy weather. And we have got some rainwater on the road. And the roads are full of rainy water. Look at, wow, my god, we are on the top as I told you earlier. Look at the scene behind. Look at, my god, this is a really great scene which we are looking. We're watching. Look at the corner of Jam Shoro, and they are the very high buildings which look so down from our view. Look, my god, what a scene. Amazing scene. Very good scene. Very good movie. This is because this is the first time which we are recording a movie, the height of Hyderabad. We really made this. Oh my god, my goodness, what a movie this is going to be. And look at the thermal standard of Hyderabad, and this is the great scene which we are capturing from our camera. Look at the all scenes of Hyderabad. We are recording only for you, the guys, the viewers of my new channel, the Shahid Wonders. Please not to forget to subscribe my channel and just push on the button of like, and just I request you to please surely subscribe my channel. I will be thankful to you, and I will definitely keep sending you and keep showing you the Hyderabad locations. So guys, you can see the shrine or tomb of Sarkar Abdul Wahab Sahab. We have a great scene and the shrine of Sarkar Wahab Sahab is very visible from here. Oh my god, look at the corner of Jam Shore from Latifabad number 7. This is a very visible, this is a very amazing scene which I am recording for you. Look at that place, my god. Yeah, this is place. This is far away. This is called the bridge of Jam Shore, which we can see from right here, Latifabad number 7.